Hi everyone, today we're going to review the Quickbooks Card Reader. So this is the new Quickbooks Card Reader that just came out not too long ago. Let's do an unboxing and see what's inside. First, we can see there's also good contactless payment and chip payments from this new reader, and it's actually a lot smaller than the prior generation. So just need to slip this out, and when you slip it out, just open it up. Very nice looking packaging, and underneath this we have a connection. So next, what you want to do is you want to connect and power this up. Looks like the power is right in the back right there, and when it activates, you'll be able to see it say hello when it turns on. Looks like instructions are in here. Let's get you paid. There you go. Open the app, connect the card reader, start taking payments. Oh, it comes with some stickers too. And let's see what we have here. So we have what you can do. Tap for contactless payments, display amounts, tips, and messages, plug in the back like I just showed you, insert chip cards in the front, and you could also charge wirelessly if you purchase the power stand. Now, we didn't get the power stand, so it's just the disc-shaped reader here. And then it says open QuickBooks on your desktop, connect the card reader, turn the card reader, connect to the computer with the, oh, no kidding. So you could also have this work with when you're logged into your desktop too, so that's pretty cool. And then start taking payments. You can also create invoices with the card reader app, so that's very good. So the next video, we'll test this out in the field to see how good or bad this actually is. Other than that, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so that you don't miss a beat every time we drop a new video related to tech and all things web development related. For now, warriors, have a great day and rise up.